8 m by E value is given in terms of volt per meter. We'll understand the unit of this one is created between the two parallel plate of length 1 meter. Say two parallel plates are there separated by distance of what is the length of this one? 1 meter. And in between we apply the electric field. The electric field, if you observe this one, this is the way direction of the electric field is taking place, plus to minus. And there is electron is there, that electron having charge E, this electron which is enters into this the field symmetrically between the plates with a speed 2 meter per second. That means it is entering with a speed of already given in the diagram very clearly 2 meter per second. Now the angle of deviation of the path of the electron as it comes out of the field will be, what angle will comes out? This theta is equal to how much they're asking. First here, three concepts you need to understand here. First one, whenever any charge enters into the electric field, what happens? It experiences a force. Due to that force, what is the path of the charge? The path of the charge always, whenever the charge enters into any electric field, the path of the charge always parabolic path. So you can apply the parabolic equations to solve the problem. One. Next, this is the first concept, that means here it experiences a force. First concept. Second concept, what is the second concept in this? In this, it is traveling in between the two plates. While traveling, it is traveling some length, that is nothing but called as distance it is traveling, and it is having initial velocity, that is u, that is equal to 2 meter per second it is having, and finally it is coming out from a certain point. So when it is coming out at that point, is the velocity will be remain same or not? According to kinematics, you know that. Okay, kinematics in this case, what you understand in the kinematics topic, horizontal velocity will not be affected by any component, but vertical velocity will be changes. So here electric field is acting vertically, so the charge velocity will changes due to vertical field, that is electric field, but horizontal field will not be affected. So in this case also the velocity will be changes. That means in this there are two types of velocities are there. Initially it is having only horizontal velocity, but when reaches to the end of the plates, it is having two velocities. One is horizontal velocity, that is Vx, and vertical velocity, that is V. So horizontal velocity will be remain same because there is no field is acting along x-axis, so that is nothing but 2 meter per second I can take it, but vertical velocity we don't know that in the question. So second concept, you need to find the what is the velocity when reaches to this position. When charge reaches to electron reaches to that point, what is the velocity of that? Second. Now third, now when it is coming out of that point, at that point end of that, how much angle it is making? So if you observe this direction of the electron, it is making some angle theta with respect to x-axis. Yes or no? So that means this is the x-axis if you say, this is the y-axis if you say, the electron is ejecting out, coming out from this one by making an angle theta. So they're asking theta value. That means in this case, there are two velocities are there for this electron. One is called horizontal velocity Vx, second one is called vertical velocity Vy. So using the concept of triangle, using this triangle, that means if we construct a perpendicular, we are getting a triangle. Using the triangle, using the formula of tan theta is equal to, that is y-axis by x-axis. What is the y component? Vy. What is the x component? Vx. So these are the three concepts you must understand to solve the problem. First, electric field. Due to electric field, the path of that one is anyway parabolic. They given in the question already very clearly, and when it is enters, it travels a distance of length of the plate inside the complete. Up to that it experiences a force, and due to that what happens? Velocity of that one changes. Which velocity? Vertically, because electric field is acting vertically, but horizontal velocity will be remains same. At that moment when it is coming out, it is making an angle theta. The theta can be calculated using the concept of velocities of that electron while it is coming out as a vertical velocity